What's up, everyone? So yesterday I had a few more hours left in the day and decided to tackle a new project, which is a dust collector caddy. So this is my dust collector. This is my dust collector. This is my shop vac, and I decided to make a little caddy, a little tray on top, so I can wheel everything around together because of this and this. And this. Definitely this. So yeah, check out the time lapse. It's super simple. Yeah. Paint's dry, and let me quickly wrap this up. It mounts right onto the top through that little hole that was already there. If I was to do it again, I would make these things, these little cups, a little bit deeper, because these kind of fall out a little bit, but I usually just keep all these in a drawer anyways. Maybe make something for that to like brace it on the bottom. For this guy right here, it's a 2-inch coupling. I just took the blowtorch to it, a little bit of MAP gas with heat far away from it, so it gets heat but not burned until this softens up, and then I just took this shop vac coupler and shimmied it in there once this was all soft, and then ran a hose over it, cooled down nice and quickly. Pretty easy to do. This little 90 comes with the bucket head deal, which this thing is super cool. Although all the weight's up here, no weight down here until you actually fill it up. So I took I think it was a 5-pound or 10-pound weight, and I just threw it in the bottom of that to keep it from tipping over. But yeah, I think it will work out well, and you know, be a little bit easier to tote around the garage. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making a little quick project. Yeah, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you so desire. and I'll see you on my next little build. See y'all later.